Vacuum freeze-dried is a dehydration technique which preserves the authentic flavors of fruits at up to -40 degrees Celsius and yet retains the original taste, aroma, flavor and colors of the fruits. Our success definition is one simple ingredient, the raw material, procured from the finest farmers of the country. Thanks to our unique freeze-drying process, we retain all the nutritional benefits, minerals and vitamins from the fruit. To manufacture this innovative product, we at Foodinsta handpicked the finest produced raw materials. It's the cutting-edge innovation to hold products, vegetables, herbs, dairy items and cooked nourishment in the best prepared structure. The cleaning, sorting, cleaving, peeling of products like strawberry, mangoes, pineapple, sapota, Indian blackberry are done to set them up for vacuum freeze drying and maintain the cleanliness and well-being to ensure prime ripe fruit, hygiene and safety before proceeding to controlled refrigeration at up to -40 degrees Celsius. Vacuum freeze-dried is a method that turns moisture content within the fruit into ice crystals at up to -40 degrees Celsius before lowering the pressure to encourage sublimation of liquid into gas. Once the material is adequately dried, it's sealed in a multi-layer aluminum foil material. This trend-setting innovation guarantees to provide natural taste, aroma, color and crunchy texture with all the benefits of minerals and vitamins in the final products. The crispy and delicious taste of real dried fruits with authentic aroma and no added preservatives are a great snack for all occasions under the Foodinsta trademark. The extraordinary assortment of fresh Indian mango has become our widely admired product. It is one of our proud successes to preserve the natural quality of fruits and deliver this crunchy and unique treat directly to your dining table.